Corrosion protection, including the application of cavity wax, is one of the most important steps in the repair process. This video outlines the steps of applying Revive by RSG Cavity Wax. As always, proper safety equipment should be utilized. Before applying cavity wax, be sure to protect any adjacent exposed areas to protect from overspray. Shake the cavity wax vigorously for at least 1 minute prior to application. Ensure access to the areas requiring cavity wax application through drain holes or plugs prior to spraying the material. Depress the nozzle while keeping the can 12 inches away from the work area. Move the can horizontally, spraying thin and even coats completely saturating the part. For enclosed areas, use the wand applicator. Depress the nozzle while slowly pulling the wand through the enclosed area. After applying the cavity wax, thoroughly clean the wand and tip with Revive by RSG Spray Gun Cleaner. Invert the can and spray aerosol to ensure the nozzle is clean so it performs properly with next use. Wipe any excess product from the drain holes and plugs on the vehicle.